An earthquake of magnitude 4.2 occurred early morning on Wednesday, the 24th of March 2021 at 5:39 a.m. local time near Huacho, Huaura Province, Lima region, Peru. As reported by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC). According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a moderately shallow depth of 37 kilometers. Towns or cities near the epicenter where the quake might have been felt as very weak shaking include Supe Puerto, located 49 kilometers from the epicenter, Barranca, 50 kilometers away, Paramonga, 51 kilometers away, Supe, 52 kilometers away, Pativilca, 52 kilometers away, Huacho, 58 kilometers away, Huaura, 58 kilometers away, and Huaura, 58 kilometers away.